Hi everyone, I would love to show you this beautiful clock we just received. It's an indoor-outdoor clock. It light, you can see it at night as well. It illuminates. It's so beautiful if you want to use it outdoors like we do. It not only has a temperature control dial as well, but the humidity, which is so nice if you want to use it in your garden or how you like to enjoy the outside, whether or not you want to be out in high humidity, whether your plants will thrive. It tells you all about things like that. And I'm going to go ahead and show you how we unpack it and how we set it, how we went ahead and installed the batteries, and where we like to use it. So as you can see, it has such a beautiful brushed finish. The display is so large and easy to read from far. We just loved that shatterproof material here and that this is rust free and safe for rain to get on it. So easy to open. If you need to calibrate either one of your thermometers or the humidity read, it's best to wait and let it naturally set itself. Once we go ahead and we install one of the additional batteries, it will manually reset itself. It will automatically reset itself. Let me show you how we operate. This opens here and you can install one AA battery. This is going to be where we install the hook. Here is where you can leave a 4-hour timer, an LED always on, or an LED always off. And it's very simple. You can see here, you can just choose what you'd like to select. And for us, we would like to leave it with the LED always on. So that's going to be A for us. Here, additionally, you could put D-volt batteries. As you can see, it looks so beautiful out in our yard. It is just beautiful on our fence line. It blends in so naturally. We love that it's waterproof. It's helping us tell the time, temperature, and humidity. We love that it at night glows, and we'd love to show you that. It looks stunning in our backyard, and it's a great way to keep track of your time when you're outdoors, knowing your guests have a beautiful eye on the time. It's a great gift and a great upgrade for your backyard. And it's a great upgrade for your home. We love this shatterproof glass on here. It has two areas for the D batteries. The area on the left that has the cues of what the settings are that will match the dial up here. This is the side you install the batteries on, the left-hand side. The right is just for storage. You can just slip them in there and it doesn't use the battery, it just stores them. requires 2 for operation. So as you can see, there's a 4-hour timer that if you set it, will go ahead and as soon as the light gets the solar read that there is no more sunlight and it's dark enough, it will be on for 4 hours after that time. Have LED always on, which will keep your light always illuminated, or LED always off. Your choice. LED always on will simply illuminate your light fully. And you can see here TA0, TAO up at top, and those are going to match them on the left hand side. We're going to put ours at a timer and show you how it operates. As you can see, it illuminates so clearly and beautifully.